press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, welcome to part 4 of the chapter aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. So in the last class we have discussed the aldol condensation reaction. Aldol condensation reaction. So in aldol condensation reaction, again there are two types, simple or self aldol condensation reaction, and second one mixed or cross aldol condensation reaction. So aldol condensation reaction. Aldol condensation reaction. So two types. So one is the simple or self aldol condensation reaction, and other one is mixed or crossed aldol condensation reaction. Aldol condensation reaction. So in the last class I discussed with the simple or self aldol condensation reaction. So in simple aldol condensation reaction, two aldehyde or ketone molecules are involved and those two compounds are same. But in case of mixed or cross aldol condensation reaction, so two different aldehyde molecules are involved. Two different aldehyde molecules are involved. So in mixed or cross aldol condensation reaction. So aldol condensation reaction, so it is shown by the carbonyl compound containing alpha hydrogen, they undergoes aldol condensation reaction. Clear? ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ aldol condensation reaction ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ aldehyde ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ketone ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, aldol or ketol condensation reaction. So in case of simple or self aldol condensation reaction, two molecules of aldehydes, two same kind of aldehyde molecules are involved in aldol condensation, that is self aldol condensation. If two different aldehydes are involved in aldol condensation reaction, that is mixed or cross aldol condensation reaction. So aldol condensation reaction is carried out by taking two different aldehydes or two different ketones, aldol or ketol. If two same or similar kind of aldehydes are used, that is simple or self aldol. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಏನು ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿ aldol condensation reaction ಆದರೆ simple or self aldol condensation. If two different aldehydes or ketones are involved in aldol condensation reaction, that is crossed or mixed aldol condensation reaction. Crossed or mixed aldol condensation reaction. Clear? So ಇದನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ in case of simple aldol condensation reaction, we get an aldol. We get one aldol. ನೋಡಿ, if acetaldehyde molecule is involved, acetaldehyde CH3, C double bond OH, and again CS2H CHO in the presence of dilute sodium hydroxide solution. So it is a base which can obstruct this proton. Then carbon ion is formed. This carbon ion attacks to carbon of another aldehyde molecule, and finally this O minus, it can accept H plus from water. So to form is an aldol CS3CH OH CHOH, single bond CS to CHO, single bond CS to CHO. So this on heating, it loses a molecule of water. It loses a molecule of water to form CH3 CH double bond CH CHO. So it gives CH3 CH double bond CH CHO. This is crotonaldehyde. This is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. This is one simple compound. So this is one simple compound. Simple compound. If this is simple aldol condensation reaction. If the same reaction is carried out by taking two different aldehydes, so that is CH3CHO, CH3CHO, and acetone. So, or if you take propianaldehyde, CS3, CH3, CH2, CHO. This is acetaldehyde. This is propionaldehyde. The aldol condensation reaction is carried out by taking two different aldehydes. So it contains alpha hydrogen. It also contains alpha hydrogen. So this is alpha hydrogen. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ EH ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So negative charge form ಆಯ್ತು. This anion attacks to the carbon of another molecule to form the product CH3 CHOH, CH3 CHOH, CH3 CH3 CHO. So this on heating, it loses a molecule of water. So this H, so look here, this H and OH eliminated as water to form CH3 CH double bond CCS3, then CHO. So in this case we get CHO group. This is also alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. This is one product. This is the mixed product. So because this product is formed between two different aldehydes. This is the simple compound or a simple product. This is the mixed product. See, if alpha hydrogen atom, this is alpha hydrogen atom transfer from propianaldehyde to acetaldehyde, one mixed product. If the transfer of alpha hydrogen from acetaldehyde to propianaldehyde, second mixed product. Transfer of alpha hydrogen takes place among the two acetaldehyde, one simple product. Transfer of alpha hydrogen takes place among the same molecule, propianaldehyde, so one simple product. So totally there are four products are possible. So here this is one mixed product, or if we take CH3 CH2 CHO propianaldehyde with acetaldehyde. So this is alpha hydrogen. ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ EH plus eliminate ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. Again the same type of reaction. In the first case, transfer of alpha hydrogen from propianaldehyde to acetaldehyde, but here acetaldehyde to propianaldehyde. The products are different. CH3, CH2, CH, OH, CHOH, then CS2, CHO, CH2, CHO. Clear? Then on heating. So which on heating? It loses a molecule of water. So this is alpha hydrogen again. So this H and OH eliminated as water to form CS3, CH2, then CH, double bond CH, CH2. So this is the another mixed product. So mixed product. So two mixed products are formed. Then if the reaction occurs in between acetaldehyde and propionaldehyde, alpha hydrogen transfer takes place within acetaldehyde, not within acetaldehyde. This is one simple product. Or the transfer of alpha hydrogen takes place within propionaldehyde, another one simple product. So this is the cross aldol condensation reaction. Cross aldol condensation reaction. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ so very important ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು in case of simple aldol condensation reaction. So students, please make a note of this. In simple aldol condensation reaction, simple aldol condensation reaction, so we get one simple product. We get one simple product. So that is an aldol. Aldol. So in simple aldol means similar. The aldol condensation reaction takes place in between the same kind of aldehyde molecule. Same kind of aldehyde molecule. Say if acetaldehyde is used. So example acetaldehyde CS3CHO plus CS3CHO. So we get one simple or self aldol product. Aldol product. Then if acetaldehyde, so one is acetaldehyde and other one is benzaldehyde. So here with alpha hydrogen, so with alpha hydrogen, so here without alpha hydrogen, so we get two products. This is also cross aldol condensation. Cross aldol condensation reaction. So cross aldol condensation reaction takes place by taking two different aldehydes. So one of the aldehyde containing alpha hydrogen, other aldehyde does not containing alpha hydrogen. So in this case we get two products. So transfer of alpha hydrogen. So alpha hydrogen transfer takes place from the acetaldehyde to benzaldehyde. So one mixed product. So mixed product. Then so one mixed product. But if benzaldehyde does not, say here it does not contain alpha hydrogen, no question of transfer of alpha hydrogen from benzaldehyde to acetaldehyde. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ transfer ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. So ಅगर ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ there is no question of formation of another mixed product. And so transfer of alpha hydrogen takes place within the same molecule. So that is in case we get one. So mixed product one. So here simple product. It is also one. Here also one. So totally two products are possible. So two aldol products are possible in cross aldol condensation reaction only when one of the aldehyde containing alpha hydrogen, other does not contain alpha hydrogen. Suppose if we take acetaldehyde CS3CHO and propionaldehyde CH3CH2CHO. So it contains alpha hydrogen. It also contains alpha hydrogen. So this is alpha, this is also alpha. So both the aldehydes containing alpha hydrogen. So we get two products. So we get totally four products. Here, transfer of alpha hydrogen from acetaldehyde to propionylaldehyde, propionylaldehyde to acetaldehyde. So two mixed products, product and two self condensation reaction takes place in between propionylaldehyde and also in between acetaldehyde. So here also two simple products are possible, two simple products. So total 2 plus 2, 4 products are possible in case of cross-aldol condensation reaction if it is carried out in between the two different aldehydes, both the aldehydes containing alpha hydrogen. If one of the aldehyde containing alpha hydrogen, we get only two products. One is mixed and one is simple. Both the products, aldehydes or ketones involving the cross-aldol condensation reaction containing alpha hydrogen. So we get totally four products, two simple products and two mixed products. So this is about aldol condensation reaction. So what is the mechanism of this reaction? So mechanism of aldol condensation reaction. So it occurs in two steps. Mechanism of aldol condensation reaction. So mechanism of aldol condensation reaction. Mechanism of aldol condensation reaction. Dilute NaOH is used. So NaOH ionizes to form Na++ OH minus. Then in the first step is, say for example, acetaldehyde CS3CHO. So in the presence of dilute NaOH, OH minus ion. So this is the alpha hydrogen. It takes up proton. This results in the formation of CH2 minus CHO plus H2O. This is the formation of carbanion. The second step is, so in the second step, the carbanion attacks to another molecule of an aldehyde. So CH3C double bond OH plus CH2 minus CHO. So this, it acts as a nucleophile. It attacks to carbon-carbon. At the same time, oxygen atom gets bonding electrons to form. So CH3 CH O minus, then CH2 CHO. Further, it takes up proton from water. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವಾಟರ್ಗೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ OH virus and proton ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತು. Aldehyde molecule loss of proton, in the final step gain of proton. So to form CS3 CH OH CH2 CHO plus OH minus. Clear? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಇದು ರೀಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So first step is the formation of carbanion. Second step is an attack of carbanion to carbon of another molecule of an aldehyde. So only two-step mechanism. Then another one is Kenny-Zaros reaction. Another one, Kenny-Zaros reaction. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, very important. Kenny-Zaros reaction. Kenny-Zaros reaction. Kenny-Zaros reaction. So in Kenny-Zaros reaction, aldehydes. So this is for only aldehyde. This is for only aldehydes. aldehydes with no alpha hydrogen, aldehyde with no alpha hydrogen, it is treated with concentrated solution of NaOH or KOH. Aldehydes with no alpha hydrogen is treated with a concentrated solution of sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. In this reaction, so one molecule of aldehyde, aldehyde is reduced to alcohol. One molecule of aldehyde is reduced to alcohol, and another molecule of aldehyde is oxidized to form carboxylate ion, the sodium salt of carboxylic acid, or salt of carboxylic acid. So one point is clear, ಯಾವ aldehyde ಎಲ್ಲ alpha hydrogen ಇರಲ್ವೋ they undergo Scanney-Zaros reaction when it is treated with a strong and concentrated solution of sodium hydroxide. In this reaction, one molecule of an aldehyde is oxidized and one molecule of an aldehyde is reduced. Means two molecules of aldehydes are involved. So for example, if you take formaldehyde, HCHO, it is treated with a strong solution of sodium hydroxide. It involves two molecules of formaldehyde. So formaldehyde does not containing alpha hydrogen. So HCHO, then C6H5CHO. This is alpha carbon. So here no alpha hydrogen. So in both the cases, so no alpha hydrogen. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So one molecule of formaldehyde is reduced. Now previous case the last class a reduction of aldehyde gives alcohols. So one molecule of formaldehyde is reduced to form HCS2OH, or in other words CS3OH. Note, this is an aldehyde which contains one carbon, so it is reduced to methanol, and other compound is oxidized. So one molecule is reduced and one molecule is oxidized. Oxidation of formaldehyde, formic acid ಬರಬೇಕು, but base ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದಲೇ HCOONA. So this is alcohol. This is sodium formate. So here alcohol is methyl alcohol. This is methyl alcohol. So one molecule of an aldehyde is reduced to alcohol. One molecule of an aldehyde is oxidized to the corresponding salts of carboxylic acid. Or if we take benzaldehyde, C6H5CHO. So when it is treated with a strong solution of potassium hydroxide, so one molecule of benzaldehyde is reduced. CHO group is reduced to alcoholic group to form C6H5CH2OH, benzyl alcohol. And another molecule of aldehyde is oxidized. So oxidation of benzaldehyde gives benzoic acid, but the salt is potassium benzoate. Clear? So this is Scanney-Zaros reaction. Scanney-Zaros reaction is answered by an aldehyde which does not contain alpha hydrogen. Aldol condensation reaction is answered by an aldehyde with alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen idre aldol condensation, alpha hydrogen irde idre Scanney-Zaros reaction. Clear? So what is the mechanism of this reaction? So mechanism of Scanney-Zaros reaction. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ Kenny-Jaros reaction mechanism ಅನ್ನು observe ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೀವು, so this is also two-step mechanism. So look here, mechanism of Kenny-Jaros reaction. Kenny-Jaros reaction. Mechanism of Kenny-Jaros reaction. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ in Kenny-Jaros reaction? So aldehyde which does not contain alpha hydrogen in the presence of strong solution of sodium hydroxide. ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ. First step, say formaldehyde HC double bond OH plus OH minus. So OH minus acts as a nucleophile, so which attacks to the carbon. At the same time, this oxygen atom gets bonding electrons to form HC OH O minus. This is the anion intermediate. Then in the second step, hydride ion transfer of hydride ion from anion intermediate to another molecule of an aldehyde, aldehyde. Node, in case of aldol condensation reaction, cardan ion intermediate is formed. In case of Kenny-Jaros reaction, anion intermediate is formed. So here that is not a carbon ion, anion intermediate formed. And also in Kenny-Jaros reaction, there is a transfer of hydride ion takes place. From anion intermediate to another molecule of an aldehyde. So look here, so HC O minus OH. This is the anion intermediate. Hydride ion transfer takes place to another molecule of an aldehyde, HCHO. So in this case, bonding electrons comes over here. This hydrogen atom along with bonding electrons attacks to carbon of another molecule of formaldehyde to form HCOOH. HC double bond OH, formic acid, and along with the formation of the hydride ion transfer takes place from anion intermediate to another molecule of an aldehyde. Clear? So in this case we get one molecule of carboxylic acid along with CS3O minus methoxide ion. Then this methoxide ion, it is a strong base and also it acts as a nucleophile, but in this case it acts as a base. So base is a substance which can abstract proton from carboxylic acid. That results in the formation of, so HC double bond OH, this is the carboxylic acid, interacts with methoxide ion. This methoxide ion can accept proton from carboxylic acid like formic acid. This leads to the formation of formate ion. So to form HCOO minus and methyl alcohol. You see that in case of Kenny-Jaros reaction, so one of the product is alcohol that is obtained by the reduction of an aldehyde, and another product is salt of carboxylic acid. This is the formate ion. This formate ion can accept, so this OH minus ion from NaOH. In this reaction, sodium hydroxide ionizes to form Na plus and OH minus ion. So in the first stage, the base, or it acts as a nucleophile, attacks to the carbon. Then the remaining Na plus ion, at the end of reaction, it interacts with formate ion, gives sodium formate. Sodium formate. So therefore, the final compound is sodium formate, sodium salt of carboxylic acid and methanol. So these are the two products formed in Cannizzaro reaction. So the overall conclusion is, in case of Cannizzaro reaction, first step is nucleophilic attack. Second step is the transfer of hydride ion, not proton. Hydride ion means hydrogen atom along with bonding electrons. So this transfer of hydride ion takes place from anion intermediate. But in case of aldol condensation reaction, that is not the anion intermediate, that is the carbanion intermediate. No difference in nodre. Aldol condensation reaction le carbanion intermediate species. SN1 reaction le carbonium ion intermediate species. In case of Cannizzaro reaction, anion intermediate. Clear? So ಇದು very important mechanism. ನಿಮ್ಮ regular ಇಲ್ಲ competitive part ಅಲ್ಲಿ very important. In which of the following reactions the hydride ion transfer takes place from one anion intermediate to another molecule of an aldehyde ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ aldol condensation, Claisen condensation, Benzene condensation, Cannizzaro reaction ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ Cannizzaro reaction. Clear? So in the another property is reducing properties of aldehydes. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದು aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ reducing properties of aldehydes ಇದೆ, yellow form reaction ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವೆರಡು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.